Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Pag-usapan natin ngayon ang ginawa ni Pangulong Marcos Jr. kahapon na nag-live broadcast siya sa Malacanang. At maganda yung nangyari dahil yung naghahanap sa kanya, kumusta ng kalusugan niya, na patunayan na he's alive and kicking dahil nag-live broadcast. Then, ang tanong dito naman tayo kay First Lady Lisa Marcos na naging issue, matagal ng issue. Bakit hindi magawa ni First Lady Lisa yung ginawa ni Pangulong Marcos kahapon na live broadcast o live interview? Kaya tuloy, ang duda, nandun pa rin kay First Lady Lisa kung nasaan ba talaga siya. Okay. Ito, unahin natin kay Pangulong Marcos Jr. May nag-text sa akin, sabi, General, is still kicking and alive si PBBM. Super busy. Tapos pinadalhan niya ako ng link, sabi dito, live, President Bongbong Marcos at the oath-taking of 39 star-rank officers of the PNP. It's a live broadcast. So, sa mga hindi pa nakapanood, ipakita ko lang but sandali lang ito. Nagsasali, live streaming.
Each of them have earned this very well-deserved promotion.
Yun.
With that, my sincerest congratulations and a snappy salute to the 4 police lieutenant generals, 11 police major generals, and 24 police brigadier generals. As you don your new badges, remember, you are not only rising in rank, you are also rising in responsibility. You are stepping up into a position that demands no less than the highest standards of ethics, professionalism, and respect for human rights at all times.
Okay, so live broadcast yun. Tapos, nasundan ng, dahil live, ang mga mainstream media, social media, kinuha at inamplify na nagpapatotoo na ang presidente, alive and kicking, yung sinasabi na na-hospital siya, hindi naman pala. At kitang-kita, nandun si General Torre, may mga videos na sumasaludo o picture na kinakamayan. So, tunay na ang Pangulo nasa palasyo. So, ang tanong ngayon is, ang First Lady Lisa Araneta Marcos na ang tagal nang iniulat ni Jose Claire Castro, March 11 ang ulat nga dumating siya. Ngayon, April 8 na ngayon, mag-isang buwan na. Bakit walang live? Bakit puros picture? Tingnan ko itong yung Lisa Marcos official, ang last nga post niya dito is Happy Sunday everyone. Ano bang araw ngayon? Martes na? So, post niya, ang post niya ito is kahapon. So, Happy Sunday everyone. Yun, may mga picture, family picture sa Malacanang. And then, another, April 3, another picture. Turnover of donation, vintage grill to Feeding Metro Manila Foundation. Yan. And then, another schedule, April 4, Goldenberg Concert Series presents violinist Christine Claire, pianist Aina Montesclaro. So, yun, may mga picture na naman. Puros ganito na lang, picture. Daming. Meron din siyang pinost noong March 29, video. Wrap-up video. Kaya lang, ang daming nakakita sa mga wrong pag-edit. Basta, not so convincing videos and pictures na ipinopost ng media handlers ni First Lady. Okay, may natanggap akong text. Basahin ko ha. Nakita daw. Ito, may bago lang oh. 5 hours ago. Masa na yun? Bagong post. 5 hours. Uy, wala man. Kapupos lang. Ano to? Nag-plus lang. Kapupos, 5 hours ago. So, may activity na naman ang First Lady Lisa. Okay, yung may text na natanggap ko sa isang subscriber. Basahin ko lang ha. Saan naman to? Ito. Sabi niya, pinadala kagabi. Hi, General. I just want to give you an information about the location of the First Lady. She is here in Manila. The first time I saw her last March 14 was in a CCP concert at Samsung Performance Theater. Last night, April 6, I saw her again in a fashion show of Michael Leva in Peninsula Hotel. She was even called on stage after the show. I'm just telling you this so you don't get confused with her location. I watch your show every now and then and I think you have reliable infos. That's why I'm telling you this so you don't give the wrong info. Please check the events I mentioned. I sympathize with President Duterte. I really pity him. Thanks. Okay. First time kong makareceive ng ganitong information, kaya lang hindi ako maniwala kagad. I had to evaluate kung totoo ba ito, hindi. Ganito lang. Kung totoo, bakit hindi magpakita? April 6, tingnan natin kung mag-post ba siya ng kailangang live. Hindi pwedeng picture lang. So itong text na ito is, it's just a raw information. Hindi pa rin ako. But salamat kung sino man nag-text nito, salamat. But I'm sorry, hindi ako basta-basta maniwala. Maniwala lang ako kung ganito. Yung live ulitin natin ng Pangulong Marcos.
Always carry in your hearts your oath to our great Lord.
It's a live.
To faithfully,
Kahapon.
honestly, and unequivocally uphold and defend our Constitution.
Kinakausap niya ang mga newly promoted police generals.
Right. What must be done and what is legally ordered. Perform your duties with utmost dedication.
So, ang tanong, hamon kay Jose Claire Castro, pwede ba ngayon na o bukas makalawa para matapos na yung issue, mag-live, telecast, broadcast na kayo dyan sa Malacanang, yung palaging post ng picture-picture, hindi na madaling maniwala ang taong bayan. Please lang naman, para matapos na itong issue na ito.